Can you identify coordinates in just a few seconds? Many students mix up x and y. But with one simple trick, you can read coordinates fast. In this video, you will learn how to identify coordinates on the Cartesian plane, quickly and correctly. Let's begin. When a point is already plotted on the graph, your job is to identify its coordinates. That means finding the x value and the y value. And today, we will make that super easy. Always remember this rule. X first, followed by y. X tells the horizontal position. Y tells the vertical position. So, when reading coordinates, move sideways first, then move up or down. Never reverse them. Let's have some examples. Let's look at this point. First, look at the x value. The point is 5 units to the right. That means x equals 5. Now look at the y value. The point is 4 units up. So, y equals 4. The coordinates are 5, 4. Next point. The point is 4 units to the left. So x equals -4. It is 3 units up. So y equals 3. The coordinates are -4, 3. Next. The point is 3 units to the right. So x equals 3. It is 5 units downward. So y equals -5. The coordinates are 3, -5. Here is a very common mistake. Some students say -5, 3. Instead of 3, -5. Always remember x first, then y. Another mistake is forgetting negative signs. If the point is left of the origin, x is negative. If the point is below the x-axis, y is negative. Here are some fast tricks. Trick number 1. Follow the path. Go sideways first, then vertical. Trick number 2. Use your finger or your cursor. Trace the point to the axis. Trick number 3. Check the quadrant. The quadrant helps you predict the signs quickly. Let's have a speed challenge. Try these before the answers appear. Point number 1. Pause the video. The answer is 5, 1. Point number 2. Pause the video. The answer is -2, 4. Point number 3. Pause the video. The answer is -3, -2. Point number 4. Pause the video. The answer is -5, 0. Point number 5. Pause the video. The answer is 6, -3. Let's summarize. 1. To identify coordinates fast, read x first, read y second. 2. Watch the signs carefully. And 3. Trace the point properly. That is the easiest way to read coordinates correctly. The more points you practice, the faster you become. And soon, identifying coordinates will feel automatic. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.